Hi everybody, this is Greg from LocalSip. In this video I'm going to walk you through adding in your LocalSip digital tap list into your Wix.com website. And this will only take a few minutes and setup is fairly straightforward. So to begin with here, I've got a couple tabs open in my browser. The first one I have is my Wix website site manager dashboard. Here's my site manager. And then also what you'll want to have open is just localsip.co. And from localsip.co, we're going to grab our embed code that we're going to add into Wix.com. So from your Wix.com dashboard, you'll want to click either this Edit Site button or this Edit Site button over here. And that's going to open up an editor for you. And within your editor, you're simply going to want to create a new page. And then from that new page, you're going to add in your LocalSip tap list. So to begin with here, in the top left in my editor, I've got my Pages drop down. I'm going to click this. I'm going to go all the way down here and select Add Page. And we're going to add a new page. And let's just call our new page Tap List. And we'll say Done. And now what you want to do is drag this into the position you want it to appear on your website. So right now I've got it, here's my menu up here, and it shows Tap List as being first, and then Home and Contact Us. But let's say I want Tap List to actually be all the way here at the end. I'll just simply drag it and drop it down to where I want it. A little more there. There we go. And now you can see we've got Tap List in our menu all the way here at the end under Tap List. Now from this page, let's click on this little dialog box here, and let's go to the settings. And you want to make sure Hide from Menu is unchecked, and you don't want to set this as your home page. Layouts is going to be standard. You'll want to include your header and footer, so don't check this. Just leave it as standard. Permissions, you'll want this to be no restrictions. This is going to be your tap list, so you want everybody to be able to see it. And SEO in Google, just leave this with the standard settings as it is. Go ahead and click Done. And now what we're going to do is we're actually going to add our tap list into this page. So to begin with, we need to add a widget, an HTML widget, into our page. So over here on the left-hand side, I've got these buttons. I'm going to go to the Add. If I go all the way down here to More, we've got a couple additional options. So I'll click More. And this one right here in the middle is titled HTML Code. So let's go ahead and select HTML Code. And it puts this widget directly in our website. And what we're going to want to do is we're actually going to want to expand this by grabbing on these little handles here. You can see there's a dot right there and a dot right there and one there. You want to expand this to fill out the page as best as possible. And Wix provides these great guides as to the recommended content area. You can see it with these dotted lines. And that simply tells you where the majority of the users are going to be able to see the content. And if you drag these out to about like that, this is the basis to where your tap list is going to appear. So what we want to do now is actually get our tap list and enter it in here. So let's go over to our LocalSip tab. We'll click on our LocalSip tab. And under Resources, you can select Installation Instructions. From installation instructions, you've got a couple different options here. We're going to embed our tap list into our website. So on the left here, we've got this Website Embed section. Select Website Embed Instructions. And it brings us to our Website Embed Installation Instructions page. So the first thing you're going to want to enter here is your LocalSip API customer key. This is emailed to you within 24 hours of signing up for LocalSip. And this is an example, so we'll say it's Imbibe Brewing. And that's it. You just type in your API key and select Copy Local Script, and it's automatically copied to your clipboard. This is an optional setting down here. For the most part, you can disregard it, but if you wanted to change the width that this is going to fit in the widget on your website, you could adjust it here, but we recommend sticking with 100%. I'll go back to my Wix website editor. I'm going to click this Enter Code. And it says add your code here, HTTPS only. So what we're going to do is simply going to click in there, and we're going to paste. You can either right click, or on a PC you can do Control V, or on a Mac you can do Command V. And it's going to paste that code that we had over here. This is this code. We copied it to our clipboard. It's going to paste it directly in here. And you just hit Update. And our tap list is automatically added in to our website. So from here, click either save or publish. And if you click publish, it'll save as well. So click publish. Yes, this is what we want. And we can preview this. And this now we have our tap list embedded directly into our website. We're going to switch over to the mobile view. So that was the desktop view, but we also want to make sure this looks great on a mobile device. So over here, we're going to choose Edit Mobile View. And from the mobile editor, we want to go back to Editor. From the mobile editor, you're going to click back in here again, and you want to drag this, again, drag the handles out so that it fills the area really well. You can drag this down. I recommend right about there. And over here on the right-hand side, it does give you this additional widget you can set. It automatically sets your width at 320 pixels, and your height's going to adjust as you drag this up and down. We don't recommend increasing this width any higher than 320 pixels. Keeping it at 320 ensures that the vast majority of devices are going to be able to view the content on your website if you keep it to no greater than 320 pixels. And 462 pixel, really anything under 500 is a great height. And when you've got it looking just how you want it, you can click Publish and Done. And just like that, you've added in your LocalSip tap list into your Wix website. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.